Now available on McCarthy Cars 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2.1 CDI Turbo Diesel Executive in metallic tonerite grey with front parking sensors, 16-inch alloy wheels, it's got the rear parking sensors, let's have a look inside the car. It's got a full black leather interior with 5 headrests, armrest in the middle, and cup holders. Electric windows, of course electric windows on the front, electric and folding mirrors, electric driver's seat and passenger seat as well. Only 22,000 miles on the clock. Multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control, radio and CD player, air conditioning and climate control, automatic transmission, for your safety airbags on the front and on the back. To book a test drive and get more information about this car, please give us a call.